Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're focusing on a complex medical term, erythroblastopenia. This word may look intimidating, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with ease. Let's break it down step by step. The correct pronunciation is erythroblastopenia. First, we have erythro, where A sounds like the E in elephant, rith rhymes with myth, and ro sounds like row. Next, blasto, where blas sounds like blast without the T, and toe rhymes with toe. Finally, penia, where P rhymes with C, ni sounds like knee, and is a soft ending sound. Now let's put it all together slowly. Erythroblastopenia. Try repeating after me. Erythroblastopenia. Now a little faster. Erythroblastopenia. And at full speed, erythroblastopenia. Keep practicing and soon this word will roll off your tongue naturally. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Erythroblastopenia is a medical condition characterized by a deficiency of erythroblasts, the precursor cells that develop into red blood cells. The word comes from erythro, meaning red, blasto, referring to immature cells, and penia, which means lack or deficiency. This condition is often associated with disorders affecting bone marrow production. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce erythroblastopenia and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next. And don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video!